So you're selling your house and you get a call. You have a showing. There's so much that you have to get done before your showing. You have to clean, declutter, get rid of personal items. But there's one thing that many people often forget. Hi, I'm Rachel Bodner from Coldwell Banker and realestateofmass.com. And there's one thing that is often overlooked when people are selling their home. And that's, how does your home smell? So here are a few tips and tricks to make sure that your home smells good to those potential buyers. Number 1, bust out the baking soda. Before you start adding any scents to your home, make sure that you use baking soda to neutralize any odors that exist in your home to begin with. Now sprinkle baking soda over your carpets, leave there for 15 minutes, and then vacuum it up. You'll be left with a clean slate. For fabrics that are hard to sprinkle, you can make a deodorizing spray with equal parts water and vinegar. Number 2, cue the classic cookies. There's something wonderful about the smell of cookies. Since we're going for the smell, don't worry about making homemade cookies. Get the pre-made kind. Pop them in the oven before you're showing, and when they're done, your house is sure to smell terrific. Number 3, simmer some scents. Put a pot of water on the stove, bring it to a boil, and add some pantry ingredients. If you do this about an hour before you're showing, your kitchen will smell amazing. And finally, double down with a diffuser. If you're serious about the scent of your entire home, buy a couple of diffusers. Simple reed diffusers are effective in small spaces like a bathroom, but essential oil diffusers are much better in larger spaces. So if you're selling your home and you're getting ready for a showing, don't forget this important detail. How your home smells can either attract buyers or push them away. Again, I'm Rachel Bodner from Coldwell Banker and realestateofmass.com. Have a great home buying and selling day, everyone.